So coming up for our Divorce Force kickoff, April 30th, are you considering getting a divorce? What kind of things do you need to know? We're going to do a high-level view on considering divorce. May 14th, we're talking about building your tribe. What do you need to have in your tribe? What kind of professionals do you want? What kind of friends do you need in that space? June 18th, how to prepare for divorce. This is one of the things that we get the most questions on. July 16th, the do's and don'ts of divorce. August 20th is mediation and what to consider. September 17th is preparing for the holidays and co-parent during those times. October 15th is Domestic Violence Month and talking about overcome fear, dealing with domestic violence and abuse. And November 12th is why to be grateful. Divorce isn't always a bad decision. Sometimes it's the right decision. We want to help you to not be hard on yourself and not feel like you're a failure because you went through divorce. So join us for all of them. It is a free virtual series. The Divorce Force is live every week. We'd love to have you join us to get people the education they need to move forward in a way that makes sense and is life-changing.